Did you know that honey and cinnamon have some incredible benefits beyond just adding flavor to your food? Let's explore 5 secret benefits of honey and cinnamon that you probably never knew about. First up, did you know that honey and cinnamon have powerful antioxidant properties? These 2 ingredients can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, keeping you healthy and feeling great. Next, honey and cinnamon have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. This means they can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to a host of health issues. Incorporating these 2 ingredients into your diet can help keep inflammation at bay. Honey and cinnamon are also known for their antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means they can help fight off harmful bacteria and fungi in the body, keeping you healthy and free from infections. Additionally, honey and cinnamon have been linked to improved heart health. These 2 ingredients can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, reducing your risk of heart disease. Lastly, honey and cinnamon have been shown to aid in weight loss. These 2 ingredients can help boost metabolism and curb cravings, making it easier for you to shed those extra pounds. So next time you reach for a sweet treat, consider adding some honey and cinnamon for not only flavor but also for these incredible health benefits. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks.